How you doing today? My name is Jeremy Heron, and this is my mid-point check-in for Social Work 638. Currently, I am doing a field study with a company that provides support coordination, case management, and in-home therapy services to people in the DDD population, individuals suffering or experiencing autism, um, various psychiatric disabilities, developmental disabilities, things like that. So I've been doing a lot of in-home therapy. What I do like and what I enjoy is doing in-home therapy with the current population that I'm working with. So I've been working with some younger children, which I have minimal experience working with little kids. So right now I'm working with a 7-year-old, a 10-year-old, which is a major change from the population that I'm used to, which is a DDD adults and high school developmentally disabled or high school students with psychiatric disabilities, behavioral disabilities, things like that. So that's been good. I've really been enjoying that. I was reluctant at first, more nervous about doing in-home therapy because I was, kind of questioning, like, what if somebody thinks that my treatment modality is corny, or they're not going to buy into it, or they think it's stupid, or would I be good at it? Would I be good engaging somebody and working on something specifically therapeutic? And that's really been going along well. The field study's really doing what it's supposed to be doing, and it's exposing me to that, and I'm getting better at it, and I enjoy it. So that's a good thing. Another area that's kind of challenging are language barriers. I'm experiencing a lot of language barriers. So I'm just trying my best. I know it might sound stupid, but I've been working on Duolingo and things like that, really trying to get a little bit of a better understanding of how to speak a different language. I think that ties into cultural competency and all those components as well. So that part's been a little challenging. Um, but I like what I'm doing. I have a knack for it, which I previously was not aware of. So things are good. I'm really enjoying therapy, and I'm enjoying changing my therapeutic responsibilities more from crisis intervention and redirection to therapy, theoretical frameworks, things like that. It's been interesting, enjoyable, and kind of refreshing at the moment. So I'm going to roll with it. Keep going. Um, I am happy to be here, happy to work with you guys, and I'm looking forward to the class. So I will see you online. Have a good one. Thanks.